Hey everyone, welcome to Miss May Bow Studio. If you like this video, subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to attach your own hair bow to a headband using Gorilla Glue. For this project, you will need a vegan leather hair bow, nylon headband, bow wire, silicone non-stick mat, and a liquid glue pen. Let's begin. I will be using this beautiful metallic brown butterfly vegan leather bow I have prepared. To wrap your bow, cut a thin rectangle out of your vegan leather. You can use any color that matches your bow or something shiny if you prefer. My bow is ready to attach. Put down either a non-stick glue gun pad or paper towel. Now I can adhere my bow wrap using a liquid glue pen. For this type of material, it's best to use Gorilla Super Glue for a long-lasting result and a durable hold. Prep your headband carefully by attaching the vegan leather bow to the nylon headband with a small piece of bow wire. Twist the wire for a secure hold. Now you can wrap the rectangular cut piece of vegan leather around the bow in position for adhering. Make sure you line up and overlap the two flaps. Add a small dab of glue and apply pressure to stick the two sides together. And just like that, this butterfly headband bow is done and ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is the inspiration you needed to get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas.